Hi guys, this week we're learning about plant and animal life cycles. So we are going to start with plant life cycles. The stage through which a living thing passes during its life are called a life cycle. Most plants go through similar stages during their life cycles, but plants' life cycles can differ in important ways. For example, plants reproduce or make more of their own kind in different ways. Most plants make seeds that can grow into new plants. Some plants reproduce by making spores instead of seeds. Plants that reproduce in different ways have different life cycles. Pollination and germination. Flowering plants grow flowers that make seeds. Flowers have different parts. One part makes pollen. Another part, the petals, attracts bees and other animals to the flowers. Animals or wind can pollinate or carry pollen to another flower. Pollination happens when animals or wind move pollen to the part of the flower that makes seeds. Seeds need air, the right amount of water, and the right temperature to germinate or begin to grow. With the right conditions, the young plant or seedling germinates. The seedling uses food stored in the seed to grow. These are cycles of different plants. So down here you're going to write which comes first, pollination or germination, and you are going to explain. And we're going to move on to animal life cycles. An animal's life starts out as an egg. Sometimes the egg develops inside the mother's body. Then the mother gives birth to a live offspring. For other animals, the mother lays an egg outside of her body. The offspring hatches from the egg after a certain amount of time. After birth, an animal begins to grow. It develops into an adult and then it can reproduce. Eventually, it dies. Its life cycle is complete. So an animal change form as they develop. The change in form during an animal's life cycle is called metamorphosis. Many insects go through metamorphosis. Frogs do too. Frogs are amphibians. Amphibians live in water during some part of their lives. They live on land during other parts of their lives. So here's their life cycle of a butterfly, and here's the life cycle of a frog. Life cycle of a mammal. Unlike amphibians and insects, young mammals do not change very much as they become adults. Many mammals look like their parents when they are born. Like you, they grow as they get older. Here's the life cycle of a mammal. This is a bobcat. In the last slide it says, how is a mammal's life cycle different from a frog or butterfly life cycles? Please write at least 5 statements. Make sure to use an uppercase at the beginning of the sentence and correct punctuation. You're going to click here and then you're going to type your answer. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.